If you are looking for a great dissection kit, this will have everything that you need, from scalpels to knives to blades to everything. This is perfect for a medical student or a veterinarian, or if you just need this kind of stuff. The brand did send me this to do this honest review. What I really like is you have this nice zippered pouch, so it makes it really easy to do. Insta Skincare did a really good job with that. So when you open this up, this is everything you have. This is a 38-piece set. So that's kind of what it looks like. All the tools have a nice weight and bounce to them, which I really like a lot. The scissors too, they're easy to cut with and your hands don't get stuck or anything like that. They also give you a set of gloves, and then you also have your blades inside here. Just a really great set. Just look at all this stuff. You get the mat. It's just a great set. So if you need a set like this, I really like these a lot.